Windows play a major role in the comfort, efficiency, and beauty of your home. In a city like Birmingham, where the weather can bring everything from chilly winters to hot, humid summers, your windows face constant wear and tear. Over time, even the highest quality windows begin to lose their effectiveness. Knowing when to replace them can save you money, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance curb appeal. Here are 5 key signs it's time to replace your windows in Birmingham. You feel drafts or temperature fluctuations. If you notice cool air seeping through in the winter or warm air invading during the summer, your windows are no longer doing their job. Drafts are a clear sign that the seals around your window frames have deteriorated or that the glass panes are no longer insulating properly. In Birmingham's variable climate, temperature control is crucial for comfort and energy savings. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder, driving up your energy bills. Replacing them with energy-efficient double or triple pane windows can help maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce monthly utility costs. Your energy bills are rising. A sudden or gradual increase in your heating and cooling costs may indicate that your windows are failing. Old or poorly insulated windows allow heat to escape during the winter and let in unwanted warmth during the summer. Modern energy-efficient windows feature advanced glass coatings, argon gas fills, and improved frame materials that help keep conditioned air inside. In Birmingham homes, where air conditioning runs for much of the year, these upgrades can significantly lower your energy expenses while also reducing your carbon footprint. Your windows are difficult to open or close. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to open smoothly are more than just an annoyance. They can also be a safety concern. Over time, exposure to humidity, temperature changes, and Birmingham's occasional rainfall can cause wooden frames to swell or warp. Metal frames may rust or corrode, while old hardware can break or seize up. If your windows no longer operate easily, it's often a sign of age or structural issues. Replacing them ensures not only better functionality but also improved ventilation and safety, especially in emergencies when a window may serve as an escape route. You notice condensation or fog between the panes. If you frequently see fog, condensation, or moisture trapped between the panes of double or triple glazed windows, it's a strong sign that the window seal has failed. When this happens, the insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, that keeps your home comfortable escapes, reducing energy efficiency. In Birmingham's humid climate, moisture intrusion can also lead to mold or mildew growth around the frame, posing health risks and damaging your home's interior. Replacing foggy or moisture-damaged windows restores your home's insulation and prevents costly structural repairs down the line. Your home looks dated or uninviting. Windows contribute heavily to your home's exterior appearance. Faded, cracked, or warped frames can make your home look older and less appealing. If you're considering selling your property in Birmingham's competitive housing market, new windows can make a strong first impression and boost resale value. Modern window designs offer sleek styles, versatile colors, and improved materials that enhance both curb appeal and comfort. From classic double-hung windows to contemporary casement styles, you can find options that complement your home's architecture while providing long-lasting durability. Upgrade your Birmingham home with new windows. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it's likely time to consider window replacement. Investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows not only improves your home's comfort and security but also reduces maintenance costs and boosts property value. Whether you live in a historic Birmingham neighborhood or a modern suburban development, replacing your old windows is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. You'll enjoy better insulation, quieter interiors, and a fresh new look that stands up to Alabama's changing weather. When you're ready, contact a trusted local window replacement specialist in Birmingham to explore your options and start transforming your home today.